Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants so long as it is black. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience and ability. One of the greatest discoveries a person makes, one of their great surprises, is to find they can do what they were afraid they couldn't do. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. Success is 99% failure. I see no advantage in these new clocks. They run no faster than the ones made 100 years ago. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. There is no disgrace in honest failure, there is disgrace in fearing to fail. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. Money doesn't make us anyway, it just unmasks us. Genius is seldom recognized for what it is, a great capacity for hard work. Givers have to set limits because takers rarely do. You don't have to hold a position in order to be a leader. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say definitely what is and what is not possible. We try to pay a man what he is worth, and we are not inclined to keep a man who is not worth more than the minimum wage. As long as we look to legislation to cure poverty or to abolish special privilege, we are going to see poverty and special privilege grow. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. I am looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can't be done. To see a thing clearly in the mind makes it begin to take form. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Speculation into thing already produced, that is not business. Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Don't miss out our next video. Share this video and subscribe our The Famous Quotes channel with bell icon.